Artificial intelligence continues to advance at fast pace and is becoming a disruptor in nearly every industry. Studies have shown that over 80% of the businesses consider AI as a strategic priority for the years to come. The applications of AI are basically unlimited, though we have reached the stage where advancements of the technology is not really depending on the technology itself any longer, but rather on human-oriented aspects such as ethics, governance, fairness, and regulation. When we look over the last couple of years, we see more and more issues popping up with AI. We have, for example, seen the AI recruiting tool of Amazon that show bias against women, but there are also examples within healthcare that discriminated based on race, gender, and age. Another example of an issue is, for example, with facial recognition systems. For example, we have Google Photos that mistakenly tagged Afro-American people as gorillas. These are just a few examples of how the use of AI systems went wrong. And it clearly shows that we can no longer ignore the risk associated with the use of AI system. That's also the reason why the EU, as one of the first movers in the world, has launched a draft proposal on Trustworthy AI. And the goal of the regulation is actually to create an ecosystem of innovation within AI on the one hand, and on the other hand, to also create an ecosystem of trust, so to respect the privacy and the safety of an individual. So these are aspects that we as a company dealing with AI systems cannot longer ignore. We have to work on our governance, we have to work on systems to make sure that we have trust in the AI systems that we produce. An important insight from the draft proposal from the EU on Trustworthy AI is that security of an AI system is now directly linked to quantitative requirements that need to be tested when validating the model. Another important insight from the draft proposal is that an organization that deals with AI will have to invest in quality management systems, but also in post-market modeling systems. This basically builds further on the ALTAI list, so the assessment list of Trustworthy AI, that was already launched by the European Commission some time ago. One of the first requirements of the assessment list of Trustworthy AI is data. You need to make sure that you have a good quality of data, and you need to make sure that the data that is being used for your algorithms is actually relevant. A second requirement of the ALTAI list is transparency and record keeping. If you provide a certain AI system to the market, you need to be able to reproduce the results, and you also need to show transparency within your model lifecycle. A third requirement of the ALTAI list is human oversight. You need to make sure that your technology monitors the performance of your model and that you have sufficient procedures in-house so when an incident occurs, that human intervention is possible.